Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ARC Raiders network timeout error step by step. This method is quick, safe, and works for most players on Windows. Let's jump right in. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find the network adapter you're currently using, double-click on it, and click Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties again. Now, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Then click OK and close everything. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, launch ARC Raiders. The network timeout error should now be fixed. If this guide helps you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.